Hi guys, today we'll see operators in Java. So what are operators? An operator in programming language is a symbol that tells the compiler or interpreter to perform some mathematical, relational or logical operation and produce the required result. The operations are represented by operators and object of operations are referred to as operands. So various operators which are available in the Java are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and other operators. Let us start understanding what do you mean by arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform some mathematical operations. So actually these arithmetic operators are broader categorized as two types like unary arithmetic operators and binary operators. So what do you mean by unary operators? Unary operators which is the operators that act on a single operand, that is only one operand, and these can be classified as unary plus and unary minus. So operators which act on only one operand called as a unary operator, and these are classified as unary plus and unary minus. What do you mean by unary plus? Unary plus operator means the operator unary plus precedes an operand. Means, for example, if a is 1, then plus a means 1. If a is 0, then plus a means 0. If a is minus 1, then plus a means it's also minus 1. Unary minus means the operator unary minus precedes an operand. For example, if a is 5, then minus a means minus 5. If a is 0, then minus a means it's a 0. If a is minus 1, as it is the unary minus a means 1, as the operator reverses the sign of operand value. This is about the unary operators. Next one is binary operators. The operator that act upon the two operands. Operands are distinguished as left or right operand. So, the operator which act upon the two operands called as a binary operator. Just for understanding the various operators like plus, minus, multiplication, division. Plus means we are going to add the two numbers a and b. Let us example. Okay, here two operands, that is a and b are the operands. These means adds the values on either side of the operator. Subtracts, then subtraction. Subtracts the right hand operand from the left hand operand. Multiplication multiplies the multiplies values on either side of the operator. Division divides left hand operand by the right hand operand. Next one is binary. Again the binary operators, modulus operator. This modulus operator, what it will do? Divides left hand operand by right hand operand and returns the remainder. Increment, decrement. So these increment, that is a plus, decrement minus. Increases the value of operand by 1. Decreases the value of operand by 1. B plus gives 11. Means initially it was 10, b plus. It's nothing but b is equal to b plus 1. So it will give 11. B minus. Initially it was 10. So when b minus means b is equal to b minus 1. It will give 9. Okay. Next one is, so that only whatever I explained that I am written here, increment decrement operator. What is increment operator? The operator plus plus adds 1 to its operand. That is, example, A is equal to A plus 1 is same as plus A or A plus plus. Decrement operator. The operator minus minus, that is subtracts 1 from the operand, is called decrement operator. There are two types of increment or decrement operators. Prefix increment or decrement and the postfix increment or decrement operators. So, this is about the prefix increment and decrement operator. That is, so val A plus plus. Okay, postfix increment it is. Means what? First it will store the value of A in the variable val, then it will increment. Next, A minus minus. Store the value of A in the variable val, then it will decrement. A next val is equal to plus A, means increments A, then store the new value of A in val. So val minus A means what? Decrements A, then store the new value of A in val. So it will be a bit confusion. We will understand this with a program. Then it will be more clear. Let us start creating the one simple program, that is which consisting of arithmetic operators and increment decrement operators. Okay, open the BlueJ environment. Okay, let us start creating the perform the operation called as arithmetic operation. First you need to create the class. Click on new class. Arithmetic operation. Okay, right click, open editor. Control A, delete. Okay, import. Okay, first comment various arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation in Java. Import java.util.star class Unary. Okay. Public static void main okay. Next, int A is equal to here we are not going to accept the data from the user. We are calculating here itself. We can accept also, or we want is another way. subtraction, so it's a various arithmetic operators. Okay, modulus. Okay, next display everything, whatever you have done, that we need to be displayed. Print ln, system.out.println, okay, semicolon. What is that? Sum plus a. Control V. Difference B. Spelling mistake. Difference B. Next one is product. Okay, product division, it will give quotient. Next one is negation. Reverse the output. Next one, remainder, it will give modulus operator. Remainder. Okay. Formatting. Fine. Compile it. So there is no syntax error. Execute it. Check for the output. Okay. Negation -2. So this is about the various arithmetic operations that we are going to perform in Java using the BlueJ environment. That we have studied. Theoretical part we have studied, that I explained now with a program. Now is increment decrement, okay, operators in Java. Create the new class. INC DE. It's a user defined name. Okay, right click, open editor, Control A, delete, comment. Increment and decrement operator in Java. Import java.util.star class incdec. Okay, public static void main pass the string RGS. Initialize some variable system dot out dot print ln x plus x plus. It's a post increment. Control D. Control D. I'll explain this. Control C. Control V. 5. Okay. Post decrement. Wait. Some other variable A. Here also we have to change. Yeah. Here A plus A. Next one is just display A. Next Control C, Control V. B. Okay, so as I told, increment means it will add the number 1 to the operand. That is A is equal to A plus 1 plus A. Either the increment can be in the prefix increment or the postfix increment. Prefix increment means first increase the value of the variable, then store that new value to the variable. Postfix means first store the value to the variable, then increment. So with the various options we have explained here, x plus plus, first the value of the variable will be stored, then it will be increased. Second, first store the value, then it will decrement. So check for the output, then you will understand. No syntax error. So initially x is 6 only because it will store the value. Then it will increment. X become 7. Next, the y is initially 6. Then it will reduce the value. Next, the prefix increment. The first increment the value. A becomes 7 as A was initially 6. Now A becomes 7 as it will increment. Okay, and we are displaying that variable itself. Actually this statement is no need, just for explanation, for better understanding are written here. Next, initially B was 6. So decrement the value of a B, then it will be stored. So initially it was 6, it will become 5, then it will be stored. This is about the increment and decrement operators in Java. So we have studied various arithmetic operators and the increment decrement operators. You can try with the different example these how we are going to use it in the expressions, then you will get the more clarity. Thank you. Kindly subscribe and like our channel for further more videos. Thank you.